Hey, May Risen in the backyard garden with Clover and Lucky the cat. You guys, I realize it's been about a month since my last video where we seeded the clover and all of the tomato plants, the veggies, the trees, the flowers, and I want to give you guys an update. As you can see, there's clover all over here now. And it's wonderful because you can literally take off your shoes and walk in between the rows of tomato plants or the the veggie garden. So I'm going to take you guys for a tour and I'll show you what we got. We're going to be harvesting spinach and radishes, and we're going to be making a potato salad with the radishes with fresh dill. It's going to be amazing. And Lucky might get some spinach as well. Let's go. First off, I want to show you guys the clover and how it has really taken off along all the walkways of the garden. Here we have some fresh parsley. Hey? Yeah. And then, look at this, you guys. Look at this clover. It's so cool. So you can literally walk in between all the rows of the tomato plants, right? So literally take your shoes off and walk right in here. And it's just so nice because it also holds in the moisture. Here we have our sunflowers, the canna lilies, which I showed that to you guys earlier, how that was from the neighbors. Zucchini plants. We have our watermelon back there. Butternut squash, spaghetti squash. It's all doing amazing. So it's so nice. All along here we have a trellis, which is the gourds, the pole beans, and then we have morning glory flowers to bring in the pollinators. So this is a really nice trellis that's coming along, and dill as well mixed in there, and they all work together, and this is gonna be so cool, you guys. Hey, Lucky's living her best life. And some jalapeno pepper plants. Remember the Saskatoon tree that was planted here? Already got some Saskatoons on there, and they are really, really freaking good. Let's try one. Take one off here. Nothing like fresh berries. I'm trying to get these gourds to climb so you can train them. So I just tied it right here to the trellis. But some of them are just taking off. Like, look how cool this is, how it's already wrapping around the trellis. So nature is so intelligent. But you can see, if I just bring the camera down, how much the clover has grown. And what's nice is even if you step on it, like I'm stepping on it with bare feet right now, it'll come back up. It's pretty resilient. I'm going to take you to the other side of the garden. Go check it out. But tomato plants are flowering. We're getting some tomatoes already. I'm getting some cherry tomatoes over here with these guys. The bees have been pollinating like crazy. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you over here. We have some zucchini started as well. Which one was it here? It's the one that had the nice flower on it. There we go, there's a flower. You can see zucchini is already starting there. So that's wonderful. Got another one Over here, so beautiful. Yeah, don't have much rain here. We're zone 3. It's been super hot, plus 30 days, which the tomatoes love. Here, I got this beautiful amethyst crystal. You'll see a video coming out with on that, where I picked up this beautiful crystal from. And it's having fun with the flowers here. It's a prairie sun daisy. Beautiful. Right next to it, fresh basil, you guys. I've been putting this on cauliflower crust pizzas. And oh my gosh, it tastes so good. And then over here is the campfire rose bush. What a beauty this one is. Bees love it. The lavender that we planted, another crystal, and then these are cone flowers. This is the lime one. You guys remember me planting that one? Yeah, just beautiful, beautiful colors coming out. That lime one is, not sure if the camera's picking it up. I'm trying to stay out of the sun there, but it is gorgeous. So everything is in bloom right now. These flowers are loving the heat. Okay, let's go to the other side of the garden. Take you for a walk there. But yeah, we're getting lots and lots of flowers on the tomatoes, on the 54 tomato plants. Here's the clover again. This is the row of rhubarb I planted. Next here I have zucchinis, and they're popping up everywhere. All of the seeds caught, so had to spread some out. And then what we're going to be harvesting today are the radishes, because those are popping up, as you can see. They're all coming up here. Radishes, we got kale right here. The cucumbers on this trellis are doing really well. Right next to them are the beets. Then we have carrots, and then we have the peas on this other side of the trellis, and they all caught as well. Here we have spinach, which is just loving it right now, loving this heat. And I just picked some, and as you can see, they just keep producing more and more and more. Lettuce over here, and it's just so nice with this clover in between. Just keeps everything so clean and holds in the moisture as well. Don't have to mow. I had to put in more zucchinis over here, so I've been moving them around to give them space. There's the back fence here, grapes. Those have already started producing as well. It's just beautiful, you know? Just beautiful. Yeah, so today, look at these peas, you guys. They're loving the trellis as well. Latching on real nice. So, today we're gonna harvest the radishes. Let's do that right now. Okay guys, as you can see, I have a whole bowl full of spinach. Let me show you. Look at that. There's so much spinach here, and there's still so much I'm leaving. And it just keeps coming more and more. And I also did leave in some more radishes so they can continue to grow. But we still got Got a great harvest here. Now I'm gonna go get some fresh dill so we can make the radish potato salad. And I can also fry up some spinach. That's gonna be so good. Here we go. I don't want to take too much dill because I still want to let it grow. This is all I need right now for the recipe. If you guys would like my healthy potato radish dill salad, I'm going to link the video up above here and you'll want to check it out. This one is delicious. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.